Hello there. We are going to work through the lab report for plate tectonics, lesson 3.03. For this assignment, as always, I've created a forced copy Google document so that you can complete your lab report and hopefully better understand exactly what needs to be included in the lab report to get the best grade that you possibly can. The top section is always the same 4 questions: name and title, your name, my name, the date you complete it, and the name of the lab. It is called plate tectonics. Then in your own words, what is the purpose of this lab? Oftentimes, if you do your reading in the simulator, when it's a simulator type lab, like this one is, it's going to give you information that helps you understand what the objective or the purpose is. It's more than just learning stuff. It's more than just learning about plate tectonics. It's more than just that. So remember, your answer in that section should be more than just I'm going to learn stuff, or I'm going to learn new things, or I'm going to learn about science, or more than I'm going to learn about plate tectonics. We'll talk a little bit more as we get through the material for this lab. For the hypothesis section, this one is very different from all of the rest. So make sure you're following each of the 6 locations and you understand how many events you need to choose for each location. They're in bold for you. So for location 1, and this right now doesn't make sense, but once you look in the simulation, it will, select 2 events. So from this list below of earthquakes, faults, ocean formation, mountains, volcanoes, island chains, and seafloor spreading, you need to choose 2 events that you predict you will observe if 2 continental plates at a convergent interact at a convergent boundary. Now to choose these, you can do lots of different things. You can just simply highlight it. That would work fine too. And I'm just picking random 2, so don't go off of my prediction. I picked 2 different colors there. That's okay. However you want to, you could choose to bold those letters. It's kind of harder to notice, but highlighting is the best. You could eliminate the ones you don't want. So pretend I wanted island chains and seafloor spreading. I could delete the rest so that I only have those 2 available. Lots of options. So for location 1, you're going to select 2 events. For location 2, you're going to select 3 events that you will predict you'll observe when 2 continental plates interact at a divergent boundary. For location 3, you're going to select 3 events that you predict you will observe when 2 continental plates interact at a transform boundary. Now remember, continental plates are plates on the crust of the earth that are made up of land. Location 4, you're going to select 2 events that you predict to observe when 2 oceanic plates interact at a convergent boundary. Oceanic plates are plates that occur under the ocean. Location 5, you're going to select 3 events that you predict will be observed when 2 oceanic plates interact at a divergent boundary. And finally, for location 6, you're going to select 2 events you predict will happen when you observe 2 oceanic plates interacting at a transform boundary. Then for your procedure, the procedure you don't need to list what you